Welcome home. Let's explore this 2018 custom-built retreat. We want to welcome you to a home near ponds, ducks, farms, schools, and the best neighbors in town. Entertaining friends here makes this house your home. This is your family home, your forever home. Expansive first floor master bedroom, first-rate his and her sinks, and a closet for days. Blessed with a classic commercial kitchen serving both function and beauty. The wraparound wet bar opens to the living room and beyond, to a large porch and patio, which will double as your entertainment area during the summer and fall seasons. Sundays for the game, movie nights, special nights, every night. Each room is a perfect layout from the den to the deck. 10-foot tall ceilings, same in the basement, more today. Go on living your dream daily. Let's gather the family and make this home. Now let's explore the view. You can almost feel the sun, the wind in your hair, and see the friends and family gathering around the fireplace, telling stories to your kids that your parents told you. Give your family a safe place to run in the yard, explore the woods, skate, fish, and be free. The home is bursting with all the luxurious high-end details for the modern homeowner, from custom builds to priceless views. This isn't just a house for sale. This is a home inviting you to game night, every night. So give us a call, Doering&Co, to make this house your home.